In this video, we're going to have a look at how to calculate the median from a frequency distribution table. So let's have a look at the steps to calculate the median from a frequency distribution table. The first step is to work out the middle number using the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. Now this is the same formula that we use if we are using individual data, not in a frequency distribution table. So the formula doesn't change. Step 2 is using the formula answer and using the cumulative frequency column in the table to work out where the median lies. So you'll note that there is no step of arranging the numbers in ascending order because this is already done within the frequency distribution table. So let's have a look at an example of how we calculate the median from the frequency distribution table. So in our example, we have been given the frequency distribution table. You will note that the first two columns are the columns that you normally receive when you're doing a question. The second two columns are the columns that you need to complete. If you want some help on how to complete these two columns, go and have a look at the video of calculating the mean or the average from a frequency distribution table. Within that video, it explains how to complete those two columns in the table. So to calculate the median, the first step is to work out where your median term is going to be. So median term, and to do that, we use the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. So we need to work out how many numbers we have in the data set. And to do that within the table, we need to look at the end of the cumulative frequency table column. And you will see that we've got 15. So our median term is going to be 15 plus 1 divided by 2. So 15 plus 1 is 16, divided by 2 is 8th. So we're looking for our 8th term. So now that we know what term we are looking for, we need to start at the top of the frequency, of the cumulative frequency column, and work our way down and stop when we get to the 8th term, or where the 8th term is going to be. So the cumulative frequency, the first one is 1. As for we haven't gone past 8, we will continue going down. The next one is 3. Still haven't gone past 8, so we continue going down. The next one is 8. So we need to stop here because we have reached 8. And then we need to have a look and see what score corresponds to that line. So tracing it back, it's a score of 6. So the median is equal to 6. If the cumulative frequency number was 7 instead of 8, then we would go on to the next score and then stop when we get to 12 because the 8th number lies within that line. But because the cumulative frequency was 8, we stop there and work out that our median is equal to 6.